Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to invest in S&P 500 in Australia. Alright, let's begin. First, choose an online broker in Australia that provides access to US markets, such as CommSec, CMC Markets, eToro, Stake, or Interactive Brokers. Next, open and verify your trading account by completing the required identification process. Once verified, deposit funds into your account in Australian dollars. Most brokers automatically convert your funds to US dollars if needed. Now, search for an S&P 500 ETF. Popular options include Spider S&P 500 ETF with the ticker SPY, iShares Core S&P 500 ETF with the ticker IV, or Vanguard S&P 500 ETF with the ticker VU. After that, enter the number of units you want to buy, select the buy option, and confirm your order. So that's basically how you can invest in S&P 500 in Australia. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.